The Rockville HTS45 Home Theater system delivers an immersive experience with its 5.1 surround sound and 800 watts peak power, making it perfect for enjoying movies, music, and gaming. With Bluetooth and multiple connectivity options including USB, SD, RCA, optical, and coaxial inputs, this system offers versatile ways to stream audio from various devices. The advanced Class AB amplifier technology ensures that sound remains clear and distortion-free, even at maximum volume, providing a balanced audio experience. Setting up the Rockville HTS45 is straightforward with included accessories like 30-foot rear speaker cables, 12-foot front and center cables, a remote control, and wall mount kits. Its compact design featuring MDF wood cabinets and plastic front panels not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The wall-mountable speakers add convenience and flexibility to the installation, allowing you to create a custom home theater setup that fits your space perfectly.